A very good morning, dear students. How are you today? I hope you are all fine. Dear students, today we are going to learn about some do's and don'ts. At first, we will discuss the important safety rules we need to follow on the road. Now children, listen carefully. Road safety is a major concern these days. There are different rules that we should always follow when we are on the road. It is the duty of everyone to follow the rules. Now, take a look at what we should do and should not do while we are on the road. Always walk on the footpath. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Cross the road when the traffic light is green for us. Do not play on the road. Do not run on the road. Now, the important safety rules to follow in the bus or other vehicles. Children, we see many vehicles on the road while going to school or any other place. We come across many types of vehicles and means of transport. Care should be taken when traffic and vehicles are concerned. We should always follow the safety rules. Do not get in or get off a moving bus. Do not stick your head or hand out of the bus or vehicle. Do not shout and scream in the bus. Always stand in queue to board a bus. Never open the door of a moving vehicle. Now, the important safety rules to follow in the swimming pool. Swimming is very good for our body and mind. However, we need to follow some safety habits while swimming. Let us discuss few of them. At the swimming pool, swim only when there is a lifeguard around or when your parents are with you. Do not run on the path to the pool as it can be slippery. Here are some points to follow. Go with an adult to the swimming pool. Do not go alone. Do not go the deep side of the swimming pool. If we don't know how to swim, use swimming tubes. Do not push or pull each other to the pool. Now, the fourth one. Some important safety rules we need to follow at home. It is not only outside the house that one can hurt oneself. Accidents can happen at home too. You can get a cut or a bruise at home if you are not careful. So, let's see how you can stay safe in your home. When not to open the front door. Children, do not open the front door to anyone you do not know. Call an elder person to open the door. When you see a stranger at the door. Electricity, do not put your fingers into walls or electric sockets. Do not try to operate electrical gadgets on your own. Do not play With such gadgets, you may get an electric shock. Do not touch such gadgets when your hands are wet. You can get an electric shock. Do not try to open an electrical gadget to see what it looks like from inside. You may damage it, and later, when you try to switch it on, you can get an electric shock. In the kitchen, children, do not switch on the gas on your own. Do not play with matchsticks. You may burn yourself. Do not spill water or oil on the floor. You may slip and hurt yourself. Do not throw vegetable or fruit peels on the ground. You may slip on them. Do not play with knives. You may cut yourself in your room. Do not leave your books and toys on the ground. You may trip over them and get hurt. Do not play with the electric sockets in your room. In the house, do not run up and down the stairs. You may slip and fall. Do not try to open a dumb window with your fingers. Do not jump from a table or cupboard. You may fall and hurt yourself in the garden. Do not pluck flowers from plants with thorns. For example, rose plant. Do not jump from a high wall or a tree. Here are some points. Listen carefully. Do not touch matchstick, electric wires, sharp objects like knives, pins, and blades. This can hurt us. Stay away from plug points and sockets. Never teach pets or animals. Never taste medicine. They can be poisonous. Do not play with fire. Never go near the gas stove. Never open doors for strangers. Now, in today's lesson, some do's and don'ts. Here are some safety rules in the road, bus or vehicle, in the swimming pool, and at home. Now, here are some points. First one, the important safety rules we need to follow on the road. See, always walk on the footpath. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Cross the road when the traffic light is green for us. Do not play on the road and do not run on the road. Second, the important safety rules to follow in the bus or other vehicle. Do not get in or get off a moving bus. Do not stick your head or hand out of the bus. Do not shout and scream in the bus. Always stand in queue to board a bus. Never open the door of a moving vehicle. Third is the important safety rules to follow in the swimming pool. See, go with an adult to the swimming pool. Do not go alone. Do not go to the deep side of the swimming pool. If we don't know how to swim, use swimming tube. Do not push or pull each other in the pool. Now, for some important safety rules we need to follow at home. Do not touch matchsticks, electric wires, sharp objects like knives, pins, and blades. This can hurt us. Stay away from plug points and sockets. Never touch pets or animals. Never touch medicine. They can be poisonous. Do not play with fire. Never open door for strangers. So, dear children, today I wind up here. I hope you understood the lesson, some do's and don'ts. Meet you all in the next class. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.